Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out here with my buddy Randy. He's got the better bike than I do. Yeah, I don't know what's better. He does have a 2025, and mine's a 20. I've been saying 22 on the video, but mine's actually a 21. I looked the other day on my insurance. It's a 21 300L. So it was this is the first 300L when they first come out. We are just out and checking out the scenery today. Nothing off-road, just basically dirt roads today. This area we're in here is California Gulch. Didn't know you was going to California today, did you?
No.
Randy's wanting to move there, I think.
Darn near live there now, as many of them have moved over here to Arizona.
Yeah, we're pretty close.
There's a little water in there.
There's some water down there.
That's a spring.
Well, you go drink it.
Just leftover.
You go drink it and I'll video it.
I wouldn't drink it. But
what I don't understand is you never want to do anything that I recommend.
I don't, you know, that just goes to show I've known you a little while, Frank.
See, you probably tell Patty, don't ever do anything Frank recommends.
Well, it's not true that I don't do anything you recommend, because I got a whole lot of parts on this bike.
Oh yeah, yes, that's true. So the weather today is really nice. I mean, it was a little warmer earlier when the sun was out, but right now, with all this overcast, it feels pretty good. But that ain't saying that we're not going to get drowned wet on the way home. I don't know. Because that's the way these things do. This air comes up over these mountains and builds, and we get rain just boom all of a sudden.
Yep. Just all of a sudden, there it is.
And there's a 50% chance today, which I always consider it's a 50% chance that it's not going to.
Exactly.
Now tomorrow's 70% chance. It's a little better. Them cacti, there's just all kinds of breeds of them cactus.
Prickly pear.
Prickly pears. People eat those things.
The fruit is quite tasty, actually.
I've never took one, just cut it off and eat any of it. Never tried that. I'd like to.
You can do that. Just peel it, because there's little bitty, super fine stickers all over the outside. Well, they're in little bunches around the skin on the outside of them fruits, and they will, no doubt about it, if you get some of them in your mouth, you're not going to enjoy them.
I think you could hold that dude over a campfire just a little bit and it'd burn all them off. Sends all them little hairy ones off.
Yep, but you want to wait until they're purple. They're not ripe yet.
Oh, they're not ripe when they're green?
Nope.
What about that flower on top of that bloom? You can't eat that?
I don't know what. It might be edible. I don't know. Huh. Never tried that, but I've eaten a lot of the fruit.
Whew, what did we hit? A bunch of gnats?
Yeah.
Something got in my... I had my visor open. Shouldn't have had it open, I guess.
I had mine mostly shut, so I didn't feel none, but you may have just found the swarm.
Well, I got them out of the way for you.
There you go.
It's kind of like old Blake, he used to ride with us in Missouri. We'd go in Missouri, you go riding in the woods, and there's spider webs everywhere in the summer. I mean, it's bad. Spiders all over the spider webs. And I'd always let him lead. He's like, stop one time, he's totally covered in them webs. I mean, they're all over him, spiders crawling over his helmet. He said, now I know why you make me lead. And I said, yes, that's right. I even made a video about him. Everybody needs a Blake. Just throw him out front, and he clears the path.
There you go.
He complained about spiders. I'm thinking, well, heck, what spiders? I don't see no webs.
Bothering me a bit.
You used to, when they ride four-wheelers, on the front racks, I'd have a couple sticks stick up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, have them zip tied on to the racks and stick up there above your head, kind of at an angle out here, one on each side, and they catch all the webs for you. It worked pretty good. I actually was out riding one time. We seen some four-wheelers out there, and the guys had them on there, and I was like, what are them sticks for? And he told us, and I was like, that's a heck of a good idea.
You are brilliant.
Yeah, so I adopted his idea.
There you go. That'd be my, I'd have to figure something out, because I don't like the creepy crawlies.
What is this? I'm just gonna check this out real quick. Thought I saw something, but maybe too rough here. Oh no, not bad right through here. Just let it roll. Look here, I was gonna see if it's mine here. Some kind of an old mine here. Probably more all up in there, huh?
Wouldn't be surprised.
Oh yeah, holy mackerel. Well, maybe it kind of goes at an angle there. Oh yeah, it goes down that way. It's all a bunch of this shed they had over it, fell into it, but probably would have been pretty cool back in the day.
This looks like it might have been the big shaft up here.
Yeah, I seen something over there too. I was gonna go look, but that one there, I'd say it went way down.
Whole bunch of stuff caved into this one too. Like they caved the whole, like you said, shack or whatever was up above it off down into it. But it looks like it could go down in there a ways yet.
Oh yeah.
Down in that hole right there.
Yep. Went that way and over in there. You can see down in that way. Through there, went through.
Yeah, there's a pipe going down through that.
Wow. It's all just fell in. Look at, they had stuff all up in there. There's actually a cement thing up there. And there's some, oh, there's a, look up there. There's a wood structure up there or something.
This road goes around and up this hill over here.
What is that? Or maybe it's a metal structure.
Looks like it's a tower, metal tower. Might have had a water tower up on it or something.
Heck, we could have rode up here, Randy.
Yeah.
Holy mackerel, what we got up here? Yeah, they got like a tower thing. Oh, they had a, look at that. They had a pretty good operation here one time.
Yes, they did.
Wow. Oh, there's another hole.
Shaft up here.
Holy cow.
Got covered up.
One thing about this ain't gonna break. Oh, holy cow. You wouldn't believe this.
How far down's that go?
Oh, you come up here. You gotta see it. I probably ain't gonna see it on the video, but that is one heck of a hole down in there. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good one. They built a definitely solid platform here. They got this thing, whatever that is.
That's a chute. Unload something, but I don't know what you'd be loading to the backside of the hill.
Yeah, because if you flip it over, it's not going to be up. It's going to be upside down. So it had to go that way.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a big old hole down in there.
I rigged that to be able to still get down in there too, because that's like a wheel lock, lug nut wheel lock that's holding that.
That's exactly what that is, a lug nut wheel lock. It's sprinkling.
Well, we're going to get that rain you want to talk about.
I think you're right.
50% just went to 100.
I got, look here. Look here. Water. We got food, man. And just in case you ain't smart enough to use the pull tab, you can use these.
You can use a can opener.
I mean, that's fresh.
Well, that's probably left here for the illegals that are traveling through here.
Well, really, because that's fresh. That's not the paper ain't faded off.
No,
it's not been rained on. It don't look like.
Somebody's left that real recently. Probably ought to call Border Patrol and let them have that little bit of clue.
Speaking of illegals, our bike's down there with the keys in them.
Yeah.
That was real smart.
Still in range of this 357 though.
I guess that's right.
We can jump on them if they want to. I mean, I won't entertain the idea of making sure they don't get far.
Yeah, you're right. That had to be left there for like illegals or something. I mean, that's real fresh.
Yep. Restock.
It's a pretty good canyon there.
I see another Border Patrol agent. We'll flag him down.
Yeah. Tell him
we think we found a little cache that you might want to put a stake out on.
No doubt. Look there, we could have come up there, either one. We could have rode right up here.
Yeah.
You'd run over that rock, sure enough.
I would.
You'd look at it and hit it.
Look at it, get it. A little big
See
old
the
vein.
quartz, yep.
Quartz in it. Yeah.
Well, that was worth coming and seeing.
Yes, it was. I don't know. There wasn't no name on this road here, so I don't know where to go.
I don't either, unless there was a number up there. I don't remember if there was.
I'll have to look on the way out.
There's probably no telling how many of them down through this gulch of those mines.
This would be a super easy travel route for them, you know.
Yeah.
Right up through the bottom.
And that's a spot where they can tell them, hey, right there, there'll be this tower. That's where the food's going to be and water.
Yep.
Ain't no other reason for that to be sitting there. I mean, really. Ain't like nobody's camping there. That looks like a big old piece of tin horn.
Yeah, it does, but there's a bottom in it. So.
Yeah, I seen that. That road goes on across there. Probably back down right down there. All kinds of exploring out in here.
Yep.
I hear a vehicle. Probably a game warden.
I thought that was thunder, though.
Oh, maybe it was. That's very possible. We could both fit in that tin horn.
There you go.
Of course, it's got a lot of bullet holes in it.
Come on. Almost had it leaning too far. Wanted to try and tip over with me.
All you need on this little hill is a little speed. And don't go in that ditch. Better on the left. I went on the right. Left looks better. Well, there's supposed to be a sign up here, but it's gone, looks like. Oh, maybe not. No, it is. There's one. Oh, no, yeah, there is. 4160. Remember that?
4160.
Yeah, they probably all kinds of mines up in them there hills. Inside of them mountains. It's crazy how many there is out in here. They're just holes everywhere. The same way back home over there, Montezuma, back over there, it's just full of holes.
Yep.
Oh, this feels good, Randy.
It does.
Feels real good. There's something right there. There's a pile of gravel there for something. Don't know. Ooh, I feel more sprinkles.
Yahoo.
I don't really want to get drowned, but I wish it'd settle that dust. I don't know why I wish it would settle the dust. Actually, I'm in front.
You don't say you're not eating no dust up there.
Right, you didn't say, what are you worried about? See, the last couple times I eat the dust the whole time. It's your turn now.
It's all right. Now, I'm willing to take my turn. And since I didn't have a camera to, but I got the full view of the.
Yeah, no doubt. You didn't get to crash. Look at the flowers on this side of this mountain.
Yep.
They're just everywhere. Whatever them things are. There's some sand.
Our friend sand. It was pretty packed sand though.
Yeah. It's still doing a little sprinkling. We're gonna get wet. I don't know. All right, guys, we're gonna get off here. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you be notified when I put out a new video. Get you on the next one. Right on. Hey guys, just want to let you know if you want to save some money and you want a super quality product, this is the Nelson Rigg gear line of hurricane luggage. Hurricane means it's the outdoor, off-road, 100% waterproof luggage from Nelson Rigg. It is super good quality. Lifetime order, you just can't beat it. And if you want to save 25% right now, go to nelsonrigg.com, put in the code Woodzman, WOODZMAN, and you save 25% off your order. Any orders over $50, you get free shipping. Right on.